Washington, D.C. with the Washington Monument coming out of my head.
As soon as Nikki is done spinning around here, we're going to take you for a quick ride to one of our favorite shawarma restaurants. Comment below if you like shawarma also. I'm personally a big fan. Hey, I think she's almost done. Yeah, she's done spinning. Let's go.
Okay, so as many of you know, Doug loves shawarma.
I do.
We've had shawarma in the craziest of places. Even in the Galapagos Island, we found a shawarma place. So we are now in Washington, D.C., and we are going to check out Charcoal Town, which
But Washington, D.C. started the shawarma thing. Actually, it was the Avengers.
It was the Avengers.
The Avengers movie started the shawarma thing, but the first place we found yummy shawarma was in Washington, D.C.
So now we're checking out what is listed as the best shawarma in Washington, D.C. So let's go have some shawarma.
Check it out.
It's the steak shawarma. Oh, it's a steak shawarma.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's awesome. We heard you guys are the best. Look at that. Shawarma. We're very excited. Thank you. So you have a nice little area outside, and then we also have upstairs that you can eat at. Look at that. Fresh falafels. I'm very excited. Very excited. We got shawarma. Shawarma.
We'd like to just say thank you to the guys while we eat our shawarma and fresh falafels for letting us film in the kitchen a little bit. It was really good. We're just going to finish up here and then jet back towards the Washington Monument. We hope you really liked this video. If so, click the like button below and comment.
And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.